Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? Today, we're introducing you to one of the most reputable exchanges in the market, MEXC. And not only that, but we're also sharing the best way to maximize your experience with our exclusive MEXC referral code, 12K4M5. So, what exactly is MEXC, and why should you consider it for your trading needs? MEXC is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading features, and access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, MEXC caters to all levels of expertise. By using our referral code 12K4M5, you unlock amazing benefits that enhance your trading experience on MEXC. As a new user, entering this code during registration can give you exclusive access to special promotions, discounts on trading fees, and even bonuses to kickstart your trading journey. Imagine being able to trade with lower fees while having extra funds to explore different cryptocurrencies. Additionally, MEXC offers robust security measures to ensure that your investments are safe and secure. With advanced encryption techniques and a dedicated support team, you can trade confidently, knowing that your assets are in good hands. The platform also features a variety of trading options, including spot trading, futures, and margin trading, allowing you to choose the strategy that best fits your financial goals. MEXC is constantly updating its features and introducing new coins, so there's always something new to explore. To get started, simply head over to the MEXC website, register your account, and make sure to enter our referral code 12K4M5 to take advantage of the exclusive offers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your crypto trading experience while enjoying great savings. So, what are you waiting for? Join the millions of satisfied traders on MEXC today, and remember to use our referral code 12K4M5 for maximum benefits. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon, and happy trading!